People ask me every single day who are thinking about trying the RawganX Super Green Juice powder if they can use it as a meal replacement, and I tell them absolutely. And I do it a couple of different ways myself, several times a week. Now sometimes I just take the Super Green Juice powder and I mix it with either a almond milk like this, organic, vanilla flavored, unsweetened almond milk, or sometimes I just mix it with water and maybe an ice cube or two. But other times when I know I'm not gonna have a chance to eat during the day and I'm gonna need that extra energy, I'll make it into an actual meal replacement shake. And it's really simple, it's really inexpensive, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. So what I do is I start with a RawganX shaker bottle, just like this. And then I fill it about halfway with the organic, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Now, this I get at Sam's Club, and you can get a 2-pack of quarts like this for, I think, $5.98. So it's a real bargain, and it's really, really tasty. Then I add the RawganX Super Green Juice powder, just 1 scoop, and that's all you need. And you can use this in the morning, which is typically when I do it, or you can use it for lunch as a meal replacement, or even depending on my schedule, sometimes I do it at dinner time too. But usually I'll do it in the morning. Then I'll add a plant-based organic protein powder. Now these two are made by Purely Inspired. They're both USDA organic, and I have vanilla and chocolate. Now it depends on your taste. The chocolate is very overpowering, so you're going to taste nothing but chocolate. The vanilla, not so much, but with the vanilla almond milk and the vanilla powder, it's you're going to taste a lot of vanilla. Either one of these large containers, you can buy them online or at Sam's Club for anywhere between $22 and $40, depending on where you find them. They also make containers that are about half the size of this that I think are 2-pound, and they go for right about $10. You can get those online, you can get those even at Walmart, Sam's Club. Again, inexpensive, easy to get, but I personally steer away from whey proteins. And I know what happens if you start looking at these and you haven't before. You're going to see big giant containers, and they're going to be like anywhere between $16 and $25, and you're going to think, oh, that's a deal. If you're looking to manage your weight or maybe lose weight, I personally, my opinion, I stay away from whey proteins because I tend to gain weight from them. And I'm in the gym. I'm a guy that's in the gym pretty hardcore every day of the week, 7 days a week. And I still will struggle when I use whey protein. But when I use the plant-based organic protein like this, I don't have that problem at all. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a chocolate one. And all you do is you just take 1 scoop. You try to make it as level as possible. Dump it in on top of the RawganX Super Green Juice powder and your vanilla unsweetened almond milk. Thread the top back on, and you just shake it up like this. Now, I'll give you another little trick. Sometimes what I do, like if I'm going to go to the gym in the morning and I want to have it afterwards because of the protein after a hard workout, I'll actually put this together and I'll put in maybe 2 or 3 ice cubes, and I'll carry it to the gym. I'll put it in my locker. I'll get my hour and 15-minute workout in. The ice cubes will be partially melted by then, so it'll be nice and chilled, and it tastes really pretty amazing. But that's what I use for a meal replacement. And you can get, like I said, depending on my day, depending on my schedule, I can go probably a good 6 hours or more before I even start thinking of food. And we were talking about this. The only reason we're actually filming this video today is because I did one of these this morning because I knew I was going to have a busy day, and that's how I started my day. And right now I'm a solid 6 hours in, and I'm just starting to think about eating. So anyway, so if you've been thinking about RawganX Super Green Juice powder, give it a try. Click the link below. We've got some specials going on. You won't be disappointed.